Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, we can do about factorization by s. Next, we can do another factorization by negative number 1. Next, we need to add about a plus b to the power of 2. Later that we need to minus about a plus b to the power of 2. So we need to have number 2 in here. So that means I will have another number 2 in here. So in this situation, I will put number 4 and number 4. Because I want to create about identities in here. So the negative will change the sign of this one. So this one, that is about s minus a plus b over number 2, everything to the power of 2. So in this situation, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put this one equals to the square root of this one multiplied by sine t. Because if I put this one gone here, we got this one without the square root and sine t square. Sine 1 minus sine t square we change for cosine t square after we do factorization by this one, and then we change for cosine t square to simplify the square root and dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equals to this one multiplied by cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here, and dx that is about this one. So this one that is about this one multiplied by sine t square. Later that we can do about factorization by this one. So that should be like this. So 1 minus sine t square, that is about cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, that is about cosine t. So this one multiplied by this one, and we have this one. cosine t and cosine t. That is about cosine t square. And now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform cosine t square into this one. So I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of cosine 2t, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root. And we have t equal to opposite of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.